Bioburden Testing Market, products, types and applications. The report quantifies the global bioburden testing market by product, test type, application, and end user. Geographical analysis of the market spans over Americas, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. The report profiles key players such as Merck KGaA, Nelson Laboratories, LLC, NAMS, Pacific Biolabs Inc., and more. Global market analysis of bioburden testing. Product segment analysis of bioburden testing market. Regional analysis of bioburden testing market.